What's up, y'all? Today I'm back with another video, and today I will be trying to make slime with Crayola glue. I made slime the other day with some Jot glue. It actually did work, but it wasn't so stretchy as I thought it would or could be. Okay, so this is the Crayola glue. It's glitter glue, so it might not work. Because a lot of glitter glues don't work. And for some reason why, I don't really know. Oh gosh. I hope the rest of this is not like that. Oh no. Okay. It's like regular glue, but it had I left it in there too long. Left it out too long that it got like a little solid, but not all the way. So I'm just gonna use a little bit at a time, and I will be using Tide. I'm not gonna use my shaving cream because my shaving cream that made everything horrible, that made everything watery, and it just did not go. So what? I'm only trying to put a little first there. Hopefully this works, because if it does, I'm gonna be super excited. Okay. That's, I don't really know what that was. Whoa. That was not the reaction I was looking for. I don't know what it did. Hold on. It is mostly forming into slime, just not all the way yet. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more Tide to it, and hopefully, oh wait, that was a little bit too much, and hopefully it will just form some slime and not nasty, icky, gooey glue mixed with Tide. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so it actually formed some slime. It is really stretchy, but a little sticky. But once you keep on playing with it, then it'll get unstretchy. It'll get unsticky, not unstretchy. It is really stretchy. I really did not think that this will work, because a lot of glitter glue doesn't really work. But this is Crayola glue. I never knew that Crayola glue works. So you guys, you can use Jot glue, Elmer's glue, Crayola glue. Crayola glue works, and it actually keeps it really stretchy. And it forms very well. First it's all like a little bit wet and doesn't look like slime at all, but it's totally gonna form. Literally, it's like literally forming right in front of your eyes. See? Hold on. This is amazing. And it's a slime that you could just like poke. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Here, look. Guys, I've like almost never had slime that stretchy. Okay, so yeah, that is amazing. 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 And amazing. So yes, guys, this works. Get some sparkly Crayola glue if you like sparkly glue, or just get some Crayola glue, guys. It works. It's really stretchy. It's really playful. You can stick your fingers in it. It's just like so comfortable. It's so soft and so stretchy. It's just like so stretchy, guys. See, look. Ah! This is just small because I only put a little in there. I have more of these, but I only put a little for now. So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching my slime video. And I hope you enjoyed me trying to make slime, which actually worked. And give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Bye.